Coast Guard continues on its operation to contain the oil spill in Bataan. The PCG says at least 14 leaking valves of MT Terra Nova have been sealed as of Monday. The ship, which carries over 1 million liters of oil, sank last week due to inclement weather. Nearby localities have expressed concern over the possible impact of oil spill in their area.
Ang punta po or direction po nung oil sheen na na-observe po kanina sa aerial surveillance
Southwest.
southeast. So papunta po papuntang Batangas to Cavite area.
Siguro papag-usapan po namin together with the mayors yung suggestion ni Governor Dolor na 4 kilometers away from the sheen ay kinakailangan better as precautionary measure to declare a fishing ban. And then as needed, it needs to be expanded as well.
Okay, so itong Marine Science Institute ng UP, University of the Philippines, Diliman, nag-release sila ng bulletin nung Sunday actually. At yung forecast nila that an oil slick will travel northwards to Bulacan and will affect coastal areas in Cavite, south of Manila. So yun yung sinasabi nga nila natin. And dun sa update din natin, nakita ko parang 15 leaking valves eh. We have to check on that, ano. Pero ang
Now
sabi
sealed.
nila...
Yeah, now sealed. 14 leaking valves of MT Terra Nova are now sealed.
Sabi nila kasi once that those leaking valves are sealed, pwede na sila mag-proceed sa siphoning nga nitong mga oil na to. 'Di ba? And for the meantime, habang sinisil nga nila, naglagay na ng mga oil spill booms na pinag-usapan din yan the last time na mas maigi daw yung mga organic na lang, yung made from coconut husk na gamitin kasi mas ma-absorb daw yon. Tsaka mas mura pa. Yun ang sinasabi
kasi
nila.
ang goal ata nila is after yung leaking valves na ito is sealed kasi gagaang yung Terra Nova, aangat siya ng konti so they can push it to a mausog siya to mas shallow grounds para easier ma-contain na daw lahat ng leaking valves or kaya kung anong oil ang tumatapon.
Kaso ang nagiging issue dyan ngayon, yun nga yung sa BFAR, di ba? They went there to check yung kung may contamination na sa mga isda doon. Pero it would take 2 to 3 weeks daw para malaman nila. So sinasabi nila, bakit hindi pa daw mag-impose na lang muna for the meantime ng fishing ban doon sa area para daw, baka daw kasi mamaya...
Preventive.
Preventive ban na lang muna. Kasi baka mamaya, by the time na ma-reach nila yung result nung kanilang test na gagawin, ay may iba nang nangyari. So hopefully maayos nila because we are talking about 11,000 fisher folk na maapektuhan in Bataan area lang and that's millions of pesos na mawawala sa kanila.